Cinnamon rolls take hours to make, but these pancakes will be on your plate in minutes. Super easy start. Just combine your pancake mix and water together. And then for the filling, we have melted butter, brown sugar, and of course, cinnamon. Stir that until well combined. Combining the ingredients for our glaze, which I will list below, and then heat some butter in a skillet. Add about a quarter cup of batter and then pipe a cinnamon swirl. Flip it when it begins to bubble. Drizzle with the glaze or syrup if you desire, and enjoy.